For more than 3 decades, the Javits Center has been supporting New Yorkers by hosting large-scale events that generate billions of dollars in economic activity, by creating a model of sustainability that has conserved energy and advanced local wildlife, and rising to unprecedented challenges when our city, state, and country need us the most.
The employees here have really shown how incredibly dynamic they are in terms of their skill set and how they went from operating a traditional convention center and then being able to convert that skill set into operating a hospital. They're just an inspiring group of people and really were able to stand up to the challenge.
In the days after 9/11, this New York icon served as a staging area for first responders. Following the devastation of Hurricane Maria, we served as the city's main collection point for donations. And during the COVID-19 outbreak, our staff constructed a temporary hospital to reduce the burden on local hospitals.
The Javits Center has been here and continues to be here through good times and bad times. We generate a tremendous amount of economic activity, and in times of crisis, the city and the state leans on the Javits Center to provide resources and services in a way that really no other venue can.
Today, we're working to resurrect the events industry and support the Empire State economy once again. We constructed a state-of-the-art broadcast studio that can host virtual and hybrid events. Equipped with the latest technology, we formed an on-site production team that can provide a turnkey experience for any organization.
I'm very excited because, when we have the expansion, it's going to be a facility for all reasons and all seasons. We're going to have something for everyone.
When this is over, we will meet again. We will travel. We will celebrate. We will share ideas that move our world forward. And together, we will explore our expansion with more than 1 million square feet of new space to accommodate the needs of today's environment. We're building a one-of-a-kind rooftop pavilion, a 1-acre rooftop farm, and the largest special event space in New York City.
Human nature has the aspiration, has the desire to come back for one-on-one, for in-person meetings. So I think that's going to return. I'm sure the industry will pick up and will definitely come back to a full house once again.
So wear a mask, support local businesses, rediscover your city. But don't give up on New York. We haven't.